Hi friends, once again I'm back on Fun and Learn channel with easy matrix video. So let's start today's magic of maths. In today's video we will try to multiply two numbers below a common base. Let's start with our first example. We have to multiply 89 and 95. In this case the common base is 100 as 89 is 11 less than 100. And 95 is 5 less than 100. Now we will do the cross subtraction. Answer will be in two parts. First part will be 89 minus 5, which will be equal to 95 minus 11. Both are equal to 84. Second part is multiplication of complements 11 and 5. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. So 89 into 95 is equal to 8455. Let's try one more problem. We have to multiply 99 and 86. In this case, the common base is 100. As 99 is 1 less than 100 and 86 is 14 less than 100. So the first part will be 99 minus 14, which will be equal to again 86 minus 1, which is equal to 85. And second part is multiplication of complements, which is 1 into 14 is equal to 14. So 99 into 86 is equal to 8514. Our next example is 996 into 850. In this case, the common base is 1000. 996 is 4 less than 1000. And 850 is 150 less than 1000. So after cross subtraction, first part will be 996 minus 150, which is equal to 850 minus 4, and it is equal to 846. And second part is 150 into 4, which is equal to 600. So answer for 996 into 850 is equal to 846600. Let's try some different example. 91 into 75. 91 is 9 less than 100 and 75 is 25 less than 100. By cross subtraction, first part is 91 minus 25, which is equal to 75 minus 09, and both is equal to 66. Second part is 9 into 25 is equal to 225. As in this case common base is 100 and multiplication of component exceeds common base of 2 digits. Therefore, extra digits should be carried forward and added to the first part. So, extra 2 will be added to 66. So, extra 2 will be added to 66 and 66 plus 2 is equal to 68, which is first new part, and remaining second part is 25 only. Therefore, 91 into 75 is equal to 6825. One more problem is here, 899 into 975. As 899 is 101 less than 1000 and 975 is 25 less than 1000. So after cross subtraction, first part is 899 minus 25 equal to 975 minus 101, which is equal to 874. And second part is multiplication of 101 into 25 is equal to 2525. As in this case, the common base is 1000, but 2525 exceeds the common base. Therefore, extra 2 will be taken from second part and will be added to the first part. After adding 2 in the first part, 874 plus 2 will become 876 and remaining second part will be 525. Therefore, 899 into 975 will be equal to 876525. Friends, multiplying two numbers below a common base is so easy with easy matrix. I hope you will try some more multiplication, and also you will not forget to share this video with your friends. In next video we will see how to multiply two numbers above a common base with easy matrix, and till the time don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Fun and Learn. Thank you.